I think the biggest differences between what factories are now and what they will be in the future is that it will be even more automated. You pretty much can have a system where the only people you need to actually do a job are the people bringing supplies to this factory and taking away the material or products afterwards. And the factory itself can just run itself.
Still, we need the humans to maintain these machines. We need the human to repair these machines.
There's more cooperation between the factory stages, so there's no communication breakdowns or anything like that. So everyone knows or has a complete picture of how the factory works.
I think the most work done in factories in the future will be focused on AI and programming.
The virtual reality stuff might get a bit better and make a lot of the manufacturing, or at least how we teach our workers to do their job, maybe a bit easier and quicker.
One way I could see, especially augmented reality being used, is that if you are in a factory which is completely automatic, that you could go inside and have an overlay of information of the systems that you're looking at. So you could quickly see what issues there are or what should be changed.
In the future, when I see a machine, I can go to the machine and I just know how it works because it will tell me, because it is programmed that way.
The ability to learn new stuff will become even more useful in the future because the technology is moving forward very quickly.
Most important is still the human interaction skills, so good communication skills, the understanding of different people, different cultures.
As yet, AI has not replaced human interactions, and I don't think they will in the future.
I think sustainability is very important when making decisions in a factory and a company in general, because we need to make smart, green decisions in order to have a future.
Because of climate change, our generation is going to be the people who tackle that problem and going to invent the technology. It's even more important when it comes to sustainability that we find new solutions to run the factories with less energy and with better waste management and better things that are good for the environment.
It's probably the most important thing to take care of our Earth, because we don't have somewhere else to live. My family lives in a country, the Netherlands, below sea level. If we don't change our behavior, then in 100 years it doesn't exist anymore. There is no way forward for companies that don't improve their sustainability, because there will just not be a market for their products anymore at some point.
It will be like the key factory in making new factories. So you have to be sustainable, because otherwise there is no future.